In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can place an order on AliExpress without paying. Now, for example, if you are a dropshipper or you just want to wait for the seller to reduce the price, then this video is for you. And if you are wondering if you are going to get the item for free, this video is not for you, because a lot of comments, I made this video a couple of days ago, and people tell me in the comments, am I going to receive the item for free without paying? This is not what this video is about. This video is for people who want to wait for the seller to reduce the price. Okay, do you want to place an order without paying? Okay, that's what I mean, guys, in the title. That's what I mean by the title. Okay, now if you are one of these people, if you want to place an order without paying, then this video is for you. Just search for the item that you want, for example this one, to create unpaid order. And yeah, just want to click on buy now, and you want to select your address, stuff like that, and click on select payment method, and you want to click on add a new card. Now you just want to come up with a new number, okay, a new credit card, but I would suggest going with this one. I will leave these information in the description of this video. So the card number is this, okay, the month and the year 0114, like the month is January and the year is 49, okay, 49, and the CVV is 730. Okay, these are the information that you have to enter here, and make sure you click on save card details, so every time AliExpress will not ask you again to, every time you don't have to enter the same information over and over. Click save and confirm, and you want to click on pay now. So you have successfully created unpaid order on AliExpress. Now if you go to your account, you want to click on my orders, and you will find that exact item here, as you can see, and it will say here pay now. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. Please drop a like if this video helped you. See you guys in the next video.